That's right, folks. Switching out the HKSs to the BC BR coilovers. We love the HKS. We're gonna pop a link in the video for that install, but we're switching to the BC coilovers because we've never put them into any of our cars before, and they're so popular, it's kind of crazy that we haven't gotten around to these ones yet. They're very adjustable. You get 30 range clicks up top, and it's a nice click too. It's not some kind of a weird slidey, so you know where it is. They are monotube build style, and best of all, they're gonna go in real easy. A nice feature that these come with from the factory, adjustable camber plate on top, as well as height adjustability without affecting your spring's preload. And overall, you're gonna get the same sort of components that you're looking for on higher end shocks for about 250 bucks a corner, which is an attractive price. So if you think about it, if you're gonna replace struts, springs, and top hats because they're worn out and ready, you might as well take it up a notch. It's gonna be about the same price, and you're gonna get so much more performance and adjustability out of a set like this. All right, that's the front all bolted up and tightened down. Don't forget to hit the knuckle bolt. That's an important one. We also already have white line end links installed. These end links come with the kit, but there's no adjustability. They're pretty small. We want something a little more sturdy for this setup. We ended up extending these coilovers about 1/2 inch over the HKSs because we're trying to protect this nice gritty front lip that we have on here. It tends to scrape a little bit in the dips and bumps around town. So we'll also tighten up the rebound a little bit so we can stop scraping this thing. All right, let's get the back set up.
What did they say?
In the bean! No, it's more like, in the bean!
Logo's up.
Just got back from taking the Civic around the block. The new suspension's installed, and we're still working with about a 3-finger gap. But when you're installing new suspension, the only way to find out where it's gonna settle is to get it in there, estimate about where you want it to be, and then get it out on the street, shake it around a little bit, and come and see where it ends up. So now that we've got this, we got a good gap on the back. We're gonna lower the front about 1/2 inch because again, we're trying to keep this thing off the ground because it looks nice, trying to keep it in one piece. Once we're at our final ride height, we're gonna lock in the end links on the sway bar, activate those, and then she's ready to rip. BC BR coilovers, pretty good. I'm impressed. Everybody's talking about how versatile they are, and I have to agree. Immediately pulling away from the shop this morning, you don't get that bounce that happens a lot of the time on coilovers. And now we've got them set at about 2/3 of their stiffness. So not as stiff as they can be because we're on regular roads, out in mountain roads, and we drove through a handful of construction that we were grateful to have a little bit of extra clearance on that front lip, a little bit of extra give when we're entering onto the paved road again. All in all, I'd say worth every penny, and I can't wait till we get them out on the track and dial them all the way up to maximum hardness. Year, make, and model on your car, we send you the box, you slap them in and fiddle around with the dampening, and you're good to go. So, you heard it here first, BCBRs are living up to the hype. Let us know how we can get you your pair, and we'll see you on the next video.